roses, but only thorns remained. When I look into the rearview mirror, we create